Hey, what's going on? Todd G here, and in this Master Affiliate Profits Review and Bonuses Affiliate Marketing for Beginners video, I'm going to show you how beginner-friendly the MAP system is for beginners to start making money online with affiliate marketing. So how easy is it to start making money online with affiliate marketing for beginners? Well, before I answer that question, make sure to smash that subscribe button and click the like button below. Also, make sure to stick around to the end of this video so you can see the awesome bonuses that I'm giving away when you decide to sign up to the Master Affiliate Profit System by clicking the link in the description. Okay, so before I answer the question, how easy is it to start making money online with affiliate marketing for beginners, I want to talk a little bit about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a referral-based business model where you earn a commission when you refer someone to a product or service. You get a special link coded to you, and when someone purchases through that link, you get a commission. Affiliate marketing is, in my opinion, the easiest and best business for people to start making money online, especially for newbies, leveraging affiliate marketing for beginners. You don't have to worry about creating products, setting up merchant accounts, taking payments, customer support, fulfillment of products, etc. All you need to do is refer people with your affiliate link, aka your website. There are a lot of companies that have affiliate programs: Walmart, Amazon, Best Buy, and the list goes on and on. These companies love the affiliate marketing model because they can get hundreds and even thousands of affiliates to recommend their products, and they don't have to pay anything out unless someone purchases those products. So affiliate marketing is really a mainstream practice, and having thousands of commission-based affiliates working for these companies is just a solid business practice. Now, not all affiliate programs are created equal. For example, Walmart and Amazon pay less than 10% commissions, usually less than 5% for referrals. So let's just say you referred someone to Amazon and they bought something that cost $50. You would earn less than $5. Nothing to get too excited about, right? So let's bring this back to the Master Affiliate Profits Review and how easy is it to start making money online with affiliate marketing for beginners? Well, let's go over the shoulder while I show you the commission structure, compensation plan, and how beginners can make money online with affiliate marketing. Okay, so here are the plans and pricing. So starting in April of 2024, there will be 4 levels of memberships: free, silver, gold, and platinum. There will only be 2 ways to pay for these levels, either a monthly or yearly or annual membership. Right now, during the pre-launch, you can get in for lifetime access for one-time fee for platinum, but that will go away at the end of March 2024, and starting in April, there will be monthly and annual memberships. So here, what you see is the actual levels. Now I'm going to move my screen here, and let's start here. Now, free membership comes in and they get access to the affiliate tools and training, okay? Silver comes in at silver level. They will get the affiliate tools and training, but also the beginner income lessons. Gold, as you can see, gets these 2 levels plus the income growth lessons, and platinum gets access to everything: the affiliate tools and training, the beginner income lessons, income growth lessons, and super income classes. Now let's look at each one of these real quick and see what it says. So the affiliate tools and training: all members receive numerous modules of affiliate tools and training to start making money with MAP, including traffic, email marketing, blogging, banners, media video marketing ads, social media, and bonuses. And even free members get access to that. Now, beginner income lessons, these are 8 additional easy to follow video lessons, 1 in each of the training modules. These lessons are designed to start getting you results fast. That's available at silver and above. Income growth lessons. Learn to quickly scale your income with these 16 additional income growth lessons, which contain extra material designed to boost your income. Again, that is available to Gold and Platinum. Now, super income classes, over 24 hours of easy to follow video lessons with advanced training for each module. Each class includes worksheets and ebooks so you can easily follow along and implement the strategies fast. Super income classes is only available to Platinum members. So up here you can see the monthly pricing, and let me turn this back on real quick. So here you can see free is obviously free, but the monthly fee for silver will be $37 per month. Gold will be $67 per month. And put this over here for right now. Platinum, as you can see, will be $97 per month. Now, if we look at the annual, we can see that silver will be $297 per year, gold will be $597 per year, and platinum will be $797 per year. Okay? So those are the plans and what you get access to with these plans. So let's go down and look at what additional training you get. Okay, so free members are going to get live discovery training. This is access to our live training sessions that will be held regularly. These sessions are designed to help you get the most from the MAP program. Now, silver and above will get the Discovery Vault, and that's where all live discovery sessions will be recorded and added to the private MAP Discovery Vault. Live backstage pass, behind the scenes access to our closed door MAP content creation sessions where we work intimately with our Platinum members in real time. That's only available to Platinum, as well as the all access pass, unrestricted access to the recordings of all of our previous MAP content creation sessions. Now, if we scroll down here, we're going to look at the commission structure. All right, commissions. This is really what you're probably waiting for anyway, so let's just dive right into it. This is why this is one of the programs with the highest commission levels, because of the 100% commission on upsell 1. So 100% commissions across the board. Free members, silver members, gold members, and platinum members for this one-time upsell. So when people sign up, starting in April 2024, there will be a lead capture page. The lead capture page will be something like, hey, get this lead magnet, maybe it's an ebook, maybe it's whatever, or some compelling reason for someone to enter their email address and potentially name as well. Once they enter that name into the capture page, they will go to the sales page, and the sales page will have these 4 levels: free, silver, gold, and platinum, and it will explain the benefits of each level. Once someone signs up, whether it's free, silver, gold, or platinum, there will be this one-time upsell. Now, what that will be right now, I believe it'll be one of the traffic training courses that will sell at $97 for the one-time upsell. Okay, so like this says, all members will be paid 100% commission on upsell 1. This is the traffic offer you saw when you signed up. So if it is the $97 offer, or it could be a $47 offer, even free members will get 100% of that. So if it's $97, even free members can make $97 on the one-time upsell. That goes 100% to you. If you're silver, you get the 100%. If you're gold, you get the 100%, and platinum get the 100%. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Let's go here. Now the commissions on each level. If they are free members, they get 25% commissions when anybody upgrades to any level, to silver, gold, platinum, etc. If you're silver level, you get 40% of those commissions. If you're gold, you get 50%. And if you're platinum, you get 75%. So obviously, it pays to go to the highest level that you can get to, because 75% is obviously much better than 25%. So commission on upgrades. So these, click over here real quick. Upgrades. These are commissions you receive from any additional upgrade sales from your referrals, ranging from $995 to $997. So in the back office of the multiple affiliate profit system, there are additional courses in there that people can purchase. And so if you are at the free level, if someone purchases one of those courses, you get 20% of that. If you are silver, you get 30%. If you are gold, you get 35%. And if you're platinum, you get 50% of those upgrades. In addition to the additional training in the back office, there are there's a traffic option to purchase traffic, to purchase clicks. So these are commissions you receive from all done for you traffic orders your referrals make. When your referrals buy traffic, you get paid. Example, if your referral invests $250 in traffic, you will receive $25. Okay, this is 10% across the board for traffic. So you get 10% no matter what level you are at. Third-party commissions. So third-party commissions are all members will be paid on any third-party referrals once they complete their profile. Example, Aweber, which is an email autoresponder. This means if you refer someone to MAP and they invest in any third-party service such as Aweber, you will receive all commissions from that. So what this means is there's a place in your profile to set up a few different affiliate programs and marketplaces. Right now, it's Aweber, which is an email autoresponder. It's ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and there's one other thing in there. Udemy. Udemy is a solo ad email traffic marketplace. All these others, ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, those are affiliate marketplaces. You can sign up for free to those programs, Aweber, Udemy, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo. Get an affiliate ID, plug your affiliate ID in the back office, and anybody comes through under you, signs up for the Master Affiliate Profits program. When they go in there, if they want to sign up for ClickBank using that link, or sign up for Warrior Plus, or sign up for Udemy to get some traffic, or Aweber to set up their email, that affiliate link will be coded to you, and then you can make commissions on that. And what this is saying is that you make all of those commissions, all 100% of those commissions on those products go directly to you. Now, this is a big one here at the end. Let me highlight this. Two-tier commissions. Receive 25% of the profits of your referrals generate. Example, if someone you refer generates $10,000 in profits, you would receive $2,500. Now, this is only available to platinum members, and this is pretty huge on two-tier commissions. So not only are you making commissions off the first tier, the person that signed up for you, but the second tier, someone signs up under them, you make 25% of those commissions. It's pretty huge, actually. All right, so let's get rid of that. And here's some additional high-value products that are available in MAP. So these are not available to any of the free members. Okay, it's not available to free members. Only silver, gold, and platinum. So at silver level, you get Rapid Digital Assets. Now, Rapid Digital Assets is John's best-selling book that reveals how he creates digital assets that can bring in up to $104,170, or a little over $100,000 a month on complete autopilot. Again, that's available to silver and above. Commission experts. The most successful internet marketers on the planet reveal all of their juicy secrets live on stage for you. Over 15 hours of detailed videos and over 200 pages of content. Retails for $67. I think that should retail for a lot more, actually. And that's available to gold and platinum members. My Unfair Advantage, Omar and Melinda's flagship program since April of 2010. You get their products, training, and live expert guidance every week. Retails for $297. That's available to gold and platinum. And a VIP strategy call. Every platinum member gets a one-on-one call with our VIP director to learn all the features and benefits of becoming a MAP VIP, subject to availability. Again, that's only available to platinum members. Now, if we go down here, the done for you traffic product. We will send all Platinum members clicks for free. Yeah, for free. Awesome, right? Yes, we will personally drive traffic into MAP for you via your one link. This free traffic will be delivered via our Super Rotator, and we aim to send thousands of clicks per month that will be distributed to all Platinum members. Now, the number one problem I've seen with beginners and affiliate marketing is traffic. Beginners don't know how to get traffic, also known as people, to take a look at their website, or what we refer to as their affiliate link. Beginners then get frustrated, give up, and either move on to something else, shiny object, or they quit. The Master Affiliate Profit System solves this number one problem. MAP provides training on multiple ways to get traffic. MAP even has a done-for-you traffic packages and recommendations for other done-for-you traffic. And when you partner up with me by clicking the link below this video, I'm going to give you my secret traffic sources and even more traffic training. The Master Affiliate Profit System provides everything beginners need to make money online with affiliate marketing and build a successful online business. MAP provides all the tools, the training, the software, the traffic, everything. Master Affiliate Profit System is truly a 100% done-for-you, beginner-friendly system. You don't need to worry about anything. All you need to do is promote your one Master Affiliate Profits link, and MAP will show you how to get people to look at your link. They will show you how to get traffic. MAP even has done-for-you traffic packages inside the MAP back office. So with the Master Affiliate Profit System, you don't need to have a website or funnel builder software. You don't even need an email autoresponder to follow up with your leads, because Master Affiliate Profits has a 90-day email follow-up with people that you send to your one link website. MAP follows up on your behalf with your affiliate link coded to you in those emails. So when someone clicks that link and purchases the Master Affiliate Profits training, you make the commission. Now, I do recommend that you eventually get an email autoresponder such as GetResponse or Aweber, but it is not required on day one. You see, with Master Affiliate Profits, they provide the lead capture pages for you. They provide the websites for you. They even do the email follow-up on your behalf for you with your name and your link. And every touch, every email follow-up, every communication has your affiliate link. And MAP provides a 90-day email follow-up series again with your link on your behalf. And everything they promote is coded to you for life. Okay, I went on a little rant there, so let's bring it back. The question is, how easy is it to start making money online with affiliate marketing for beginners? Well, just check out these results. These are all people using the Master Affiliate Profit System. It's hands down the easiest affiliate marketing system on the planet for beginners to get started and to start making sales. Now, right now, MAP is in phase 2 of the pre-launch. This is the only time you will be able to get lifetime access. After the end of March 2024, there will be no more lifetime access. All levels will be available at either a monthly or yearly cost. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this Master Affiliate Profits bonuses and review. How easy is it to start making money online with affiliate marketing for beginners video? Don't forget to check out the amazing bonuses if you decide to partner with me by clicking the link below. Alright, so that's it for this video. I'm Todd G. Take care and see you in the next video.